DJ locked in closed position. DJ locking. LSDJ remains extinguished when it should glow. On unlocking BL, LSDJ, not glowing but LSCHBA, LSGR and LSGRPT glowing. Immediately lower the pantograph if pantograph is raised. On opening BLDJ, LSDJ does not glow. UA does not drop to zero and auxiliary noise does not reduce. Immediately lower the pantograph. In case of no tension on line, LSDJ does not glow. UA drops to zero. LSCHBA glows and auxiliary sound reduces. Immediately lower the pantograph. Check LSDJ lamp in other cab. If it is glowing, resume traction normally. If it is extinguished, increase RS pressure 8 kg per centimeter square to 10 kg per centimeter square and operate BLDJ few times. If LSDJ glows, resume traction. If LSDJ does not glow, close BLDJ, press BLRDJ, raise pantograph and observe UA needle. If UA needle does not deviate, lower pantograph and troubleshoot for no tension on line. If UA needle deviates, release BLRDJ after LSCHBA goes out. Resume traction and clear block section. Observe UA and LSCHBA on run and inform LC. Frequently check for any smoke emission from power auxiliary circuit. Ensure proper functioning of the auxiliaries on run. Check safety relay targets.